how to fix GTA 5 was unable to start. uh, uh, GTA 5 application was unable to start correctly, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do, just go to settings. Just go to search bar here and type device manager. Now once you're here, go to display adapters and right click on your GPU and click update driver and click search automatically for drivers. And now once you're here, just make sure your driver is updated, and if it's not, just installed update. And after that just go to settings, then go to gaming. Now turn off this Xbox game bar and go to game mode, turn it on, and that's it. Now just try again, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.